Hi guys, here we are again. We're gonna do another Bravemark brand presentation. So yeah, this time we're gonna do the Infinitec brand page. I did this brand identity design quite a lot of years ago, probably more than 10 years ago. So yeah, this is the brand page that we have in our examples. We basically have an intro module here, a logo module, a stack here, another one here with some color variations. We then have some mockups, and then over here we have another logo, a secondary logo for the product they had. So yeah, in a couple of different color variations as well, and then a color palette. All right, so let's get to it. Sign in. All right, and here we go. Like as you will see, we already have an Infinitec brand page. I created this one some weeks ago, but yeah, I decided that I would do it again for you guys so that you can I can show off the new features that we have as well. Features like zoom in and zoom out. So when I did this before, I didn't have these features, so yeah, I'm gonna do it again. And what's good as well is I will show you a way to unpublish a presentation and delete it and start another one with the same URL, right? The same project URL. So let's just have a look here. So this is the one we have at the moment. Right? So we want to keep the same one, but we want to create a new presentation. So I mean, yeah, you could just get away with editing it, but in this case, we just want to delete it and unpublish it, delete it, and start from scratch. So there's this button here. You can't see it that well on this image, but yeah, here it is as well. It's the unpublished one. So we click that, we unpublish the page, and then it's here. And yeah, and then we should be able to use that same URL. So if we go here now and reload this page, it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be a dead link. All right, so let's get started. We create a new project. Let's call this Infinitec brand page, client Infinitec. All right, and this is the first thing that we're going to do. So we're going to use the starter template. So I'm going to show you guys how to use that. And we're going to choose the light theme here. Create new project. And here we go. So this is showing you off a little bit how to use the template feature. So as you can see, it's already pre-filled in. Let's go to our settings module here first. And let's start off by changing this logo that we have here on the top corner, right? You find this one here in settings. So we go here to our folder with brand assets, and we just gonna drop it in. Let's see if we find it. It's this one here. All right, that's that one. Go back to our module library, and then okay, we click this one. So we have this module here. That's this one here. So yeah, we want to change the logo here. Basically, it's this one. So this is another of the features that the new features that we have. So we can actually drag onto the canvas directly, and it will work. That wasn't happening before. Oops, it's not the right image. So let's see. I guess it's this one here. You can drop it in here as well. That's not it either. I think it's this one. All right, let's put in the background image. Background image here. Drag that one into here. So background images, you still need to drop them in the container here. All right, that's it. That's looking more like it. We're going to change the color theme of the module. That's it. Let's copy some of these texts. All right, that's it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you again. You can throw the logo here, it will replace it, or you can do it as well on the container like before. All right, that's it. I mean, it's a handy feature, that one. Just makes it a little bit easier. All right, so let's go to the next one. So here, let's see. Here we have the section title already here. So we just need to click that and paste the text here. Logo type. We click the next module here, which is main logo type, it's called. Change that text. Here we have this logo. Let's drop in the logo onto the canvas directly. Boom, done that. We have some text here. I have that here somewhere. Let's take that text, put it in here. All right. Go back to our module library. Let's go to the next section here. So we have two logos. So let's have a look here. Okay, so we have these two. It's a stack. Let's replace them. So two white logos. Let's actually change first the background color. So we need that gray. Let's just pick it up from here. Copy the gray. Put it in here. Background color. There we have the gray. And we get the red as well. Let's put in the red on the other one. Background color. Put that in. Okay. And now let's change the logos. So, whoops. I'm going to throw in this one here. Yep. And this one here. All right. Change the theme setting on the individual module. Change the top text here. And we're also going to do that for the other one there. And we call these guys, let's see, what do we call them? White logo type on dark gray background. Okay. Let's just keep it a little bit simpler. On red. All right, that's that one there. Let's do the next one. Okay, so yeah, it's already here. I don't need to drag the stack module in or anything. We can just fill in the stuff. So let's just have a look here. So, okay, white background, two different logos. Let's find the logos. It's that one here, and then the other one, gray one, goes in there. And we can change the titles here as well. So what's this? Gray. Logo type on white, I guess. Yeah. Change this one as well. Call that dark gray. Okay, that will do. So they don't have any comments, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete the comments they have here. No need to have those. Same on these guys. Okay. Oh yeah, and we see that the height of the modules here, of these stack modules, they're full height. So let's change that now as well. That's it. I think this one as well. We want, oh, it's full height already. And this one. Okay. All right, so next thing. So yeah, we come here, there's the color palette module. Okay, let's jump and do that right away. Why not? So we have these colors here. Let's copy that again. We want to put that in here. and call this like that. What else? So the RGB value here, okay, that's not working yet, but we're going to fix that. So 214, 60, and what was it? 43. Okay, and then we have this dark gray, which is RGB is 48, 48, 48. Yeah, gray colors, they're always the same values for each individual input. It's an interesting fact. Okay, let's call this also dark gray. And this one, all right, so what else? We have the light gray. Got the light gray, 186. And we're going to keep white. So let's have a look at that. Yeah, that's correct. Oh, this value is actually not right. Okay. All right, and let's move back up. Let's see what else we had. So we have the mockup section here, stationary designs. So I guess we can just take over this here. Stationary designs. And okay, so we don't want this module here, so we're just going to get rid of it. And we don't want this one either. Let's get rid of that as well. And we're going to throw in image module here. Okay. So image module, let's see, we have this one. Yep. We're going to put that in Retina and change this title as well. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, actually, I messed that up. We needed the letterhead. Let's see, where do we have the letterhead? Stationary, there we go. All right, yeah, took a little bit of time to load, but it's happening. We might add a little spinner there, actually. Letterhead and business cards. Put that in Retina. Okay. Give it a little bit more vertical space here. Nudge more. Okay, and then what else? Then we have branding mockups here. Okay, so module library, drag in a section title, call this branding mockups. Then the image one here again. And yeah, now we can throw in this signage mockup. This one. Okay, let's throw that in here. So you can also throw it in the canvas. Put that into Retina as well. And we're going to call this, let's see, what do we call this? Billboard. Okay. And then we have iPhone mockup. All right. So let's throw another image module there underneath. Find our image. We can throw it in here if we want. I call this iPhone mockup. It's looking good. make that retina as well. And then another image module here, which has the USB stick. This was their main product, which was called the IUM. So let's give this IUM USB mockup. Yep. Okay, and you see that we have this light gray background here, so maybe you want to give this a background color as well to match it. I should have this color here somewhere. Ah, here we go, that one. All right, let's put that in. Okay, now it matches. And let's make that retina as well there. Always good to keep retina for better scaling of the images. If you have a high enough quality image, that is. Anyways, let's see. So next thing, we have the IUM logo mark section or logos. So let's throw those guys in here as well. Back to the module library, throw in a section title there. So IUM logo mark. And we're going to throw in a stack module and another stack module there as well. And we're going to throw in, let's see, yeah, just a bunch of logo modules. So yeah, basically, you know, with the other ones that we did here, we skipped that step because they came with the template. Just yeah, makes it a tiny bit faster. And yeah, let's go and create these guys. So here's the IM logo. Let's throw it in there. Let's throw this one in here. Okay, I'm not sure which how it should be. Okay, so we want red and white. So this is the white one here. And we need to get the red color in there as well. So background on this one needs a background color. It's going to be the red one. There we go. And this one, we want to change the theme here. Didn't select it properly. Okay, there we go. Change the theme there. And we're gonna put these names as titles on as well. Red IM logo mark on white. And we fix this one as well. Okay. And we want these to be full height as well. That's it. Same with these guys. Let's find their logos. So we have dark gray goes there. Where's the light gray one? Okay, let's put in another dark one there. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Okay, so I was wrong. It's a white one and a dark gray one. It's going a little bit crazy there. Okay, so we need a dark gray background color here. Let's put that in here. And here we need the white logo, which is this one. Okay, that's it. Oh, we need to switch them around, so yeah, swap order here. Okay, like that, and then this one is gray IM logo mark on white. All right, let's have a look. Okay, wait, one thing more, full height. Okay, that's it. Let's have a look at the example. Yeah, and we have our color palette there already. So we're pretty much it, but we need to move the color palette, right? So now this is, it's not that easy to drag always these elements, right? Like, I mean, it kind of works, but to make it easier, we made the zoom feature that was proposed from one of our beta testers. So what you do here is you press Command 1 and you zoom in 75% to 75%, and you do Command 2 and then you're in 50%, or Command 3 and you're in 25%. So maybe like this, it's a little bit easier to move modules around. So let's try and do, is this the color palette one that we want to move? Move it all the way there. Let's move it a little bit more there, and then all the way to the bottom. Okay, there we go. And let's move the actual colors as well. It's not moving there. All right, here we go. All right, that's it. And if we click here, it will zoom to the full, full percentage. So again, Command 1, it's also like if you want to move around and just have a look at it as a full presentation, it's a handy tool. Command 3, Command 2, so yeah, and do all of these things. This is a new one. If you press Command 0, it will also jump back to the 100% view, same as clicking the percentage indicator here. All right, so this is pretty much done and ready to go. Let's save and let's publish it. Let's use Infinitec now again, and we publish. Let's copy the link. Or actually, just, okay, yeah, copy the link here, paste it. There we go. What do you guys think? Like the new features that we have? All right, and then the other logos here, color palette. If we go to my profile page, you should see it as well. Here it is with its thumbnail. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you like the new features, and I hope you guys, make use of them and start creating some more presentations. Look, this one here. Let's just delete this one. All right, there we go. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed that and learned a few tricks of how to use Bravemark to create your presentations. If you enjoyed that, hit the likes. Let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.